Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix-it-up tutorial on how to set up a daily currency redeem, where that daily currency will eventually be used to enter a giveaway. The reason why we're doing this is we're giving users a reason to come back on the regular. Um, Whether stay longer is another question, but at least it gets them to come back. And so how I'm using it is the third week of the month, I'm doing a giveaway for a game. So this month, April 18th, I'm giving away Detroit Become Human. If you want to get games very cheap, go to a website called isthereanydeal.com and you can find games really cheap for Steam. So you can use that as an incentive for people to come back and, like win a game, and yeah, it just makes people feel good about winning something. Yeah, hopefully they get used to it and want to keep coming back for more. If you find videos like these helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more mix-up tutorials such as these. And if you'd like to talk to me about Twitch, gaming, mix it up, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. Okay, so first of all, version that we're on is 1.3.0.5. And first thing you want to do is click on the menu in the top left, go to currency, rank, inventory. We're going to add a currency/rank, name it whatever you want. Make sure this is set to custom. Set this to 0. They're not gaining anything just for staying here. They will gain something just by using the redeem. Okay. When you click save, you're going to see a pop-up that says, hey, these commands are going to be created as well. Is that cool? And say yes, you do want those commands. I made some tiny modifications to 2 of the commands. I'll show you. Click on the menu top left, go to commands. I'm gonna look for my currency. Okay, here are the commands that I have. The ones I updated were add gold coin and user gold coin. There's a small change. What I updated was this said target username, and I set it to $user display name, just to display the username in the proper format. And also I said $user gold coin to say how many coins they have. And that command will differ for you depending on what you called your currency. And then for add gold coin, for the chat message, I said target user display name received arg to text gold coin, just to say how many gold coin they received. And yeah, that's it. As far as the redeem itself, we'll go to the menu in the top left. We'll go to Twitch channel points. We will create channel point reward for Mix It Up. It's important to do it here. If you do it in Twitch but not here, then you will not be able to control the redeem. So you have to make sure you have to create it here. You have to make sure that you are not maxed out on redeems on Twitch. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to create your redeem here. Okay, so here's my redeem, daily gold coin. We're using a command called add gold coin. It'll be add whatever the name of your currency is for you. And sorry, this is a command action that we're using. For the optional command arguments, it'll be $user display name 1. So if you were to actually use the command, so right now if you check how many coins I have, gold coins I have 5. Let's add another 5. So add gold coin, minister gold, and 5. Since I received 5 gold coins, if I check again, I have 10 gold coins now. Okay. And yeah, what I wasn't clear about is when people enter this giveaway, they'll be able to enter as much as they want, provided they have the coins for it. So for each coin they use, they're entering the giveaway. Okay, to give themselves a better chance of earning something, or winning the giveaway. Okay. Then I also have a little sound action that I added. If you press play, you'll hear that. Okay, and that's what they'll hear when they get their gold coin for the day, for the stream. Okay, so that is that redeem. You'll save it. And there's one more little thing that I do at the beginning and end of stream. And I set the channel reward to activate after a certain amount of time. The reason why I do that is because I want to discourage people from coming in and redeeming the getting their daily gold coin. So what I do is I go to events, I go to Twitch, I go to Twitch channel stream start, and I make a special identifier, add it. I just call this gold coin time, make it globally usable, make it a math expression. And for the value, I type in $ random number 300:600. So this is gonna be between 300 to 600 seconds. It'll change every stream start. And then I'm adding a wait action right after that. And I'm just putting in the $ gold coin time. And so at a random time between 5 and 10 minutes, I'm going to enable my daily gold coin via the Twitch action and then the update channel point reward type of Twitch action. And then I have a chat message saying the daily gold coin is now enabled. Just letting people know, like, hey, you can start getting your gold coins now. And also what the giveaway is for. So it's also like a daily reminder as well about what I'm giving away. And then I just have like a video that plays to let people know, like it's another like cue that the redeem has been activated. Okay, so there's that. So that's how to set up the daily currency redeem to get people to come back to your stream and redeem that and have something to be excited about with their currency. And then also on Twitch channel stream stop, I am deactivating that redeem. So yeah, see here, disable daily gold coin. That is a Twitch action. So we will add the Twitch action. We'll have the same redeem here, daily gold coin, and update channel point reward. Just make sure enable is unchecked. Okay? Just so people don't try to redeem it when you're not streaming. And then as far as the giveaway, click on the menu in the top left, go to giveaway. And then this is what you're doing. You see usage requirements. You click on that. Click on the currency to the right of the stopwatch. Set it to the currency you want them to use to redeem this, and set it to 1, so that every time they enter the giveaway, they will use one of their, in my case, gold coins. And then every time a user joins, what I do is I do 2 things. Number 1, I let them know they've entered the giveaway, which should be a default action that's here, chat action that's here. So $ user display name has entered the giveaway, period. And then you have $ user gold coins left. And so that'll let them know, like, hey, this is how many more coins you have to enter the giveaway. It'll again be different name for you to be like $ user and whatever the name of your currency is. But there's that. And then I have a file read and write action, which I added. And this is going to be appending every person who enters the contest into a text file that I call giveaway entries. Because later on, what I'm going to do is I put $ user display name here into the giveaway entries notepad file. Because later on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this file. I'm going to go to I think it's called Wheel of Names. And I'm simply going to paste those names. Can you see what I'm showing you? Yes. I'm going to paste those names on the right side, which will populate this wheel for our giveaway, just to give it a little visual flair. A little like suspense, as opposed to just picking a name randomly. Okay. So we'll close that. And yeah, let me show you how it works. So I only have me right now, so I will enter the giveaway and just show you that whenever I enter the giveaway, it's subtracting coins from my total. So yeah, I have the giveaway name, Detroit Become Human. My command is enter. I've got it set for 5 minutes. I'm gonna hit cancel because we're not using the automatic like picker of Mix It Up for the giveaway. We're just using it to store the names for who enters the giveaway. So we'll go start the giveaway. Okay, it started. So you'll see that every time I enter, it'll show me and how many times I've entered right here. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll see that every time I enter, it tells me how many coins I have left. You'll see I have 4 entries. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cancel the giveaway. Okay? And then if I open this file, click on user joined, click on this, I'll copy this file path. I'm going to hold Windows, press E. I'm going to paste my file path up here. It'll open the file for me, and you'll see that I have 4 entries of me right here. So we'd be copying and pasting this right here. And you can change the colors if you want. But yeah, you can figure that out. It's not too complicated. But yeah, that is how you allow multiple entries and make those currency based. And yeah, also getting users to be incentivized to continue to come back without it being too expensive for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, one more thing is set the max entries to be like 999, just so they can enter as much as they want. Just a reminder about that before we go. Okay, that's pretty much it. That is how you set up the redeem. I hope you find this helpful. If you find these Mix It Up tutorials helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. And again, if you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, gaming, Mix It Up, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/MiniatureGold. All right, thank you, and see ya.